I'll now switch. Right. So can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see your screen. Yeah.
Okay. So let's start with why do we actually want to go for data science and AI in the first place, right? So I'll just give a brief introduction, brief explanation on how to, on why is this so important. So basically, this is the fourth industrial revolution. So we have gone through, mechanical, electrical, now computer science, and now we are moving into the emerging technologies, which could be AI, which could be Internet of Things, which could be 3D printing, which could be genetic engineering, so on and so forth. So all of these are actually going to change the way we live and work, right? And so you have to adapt basically, right? Because the skills that would be required for this new kind of era would be quite different. So you would need more problem solving skills, critical thinking skills, and creativity, and not that rote learning, and not that going through routine task and everything. So you have to be creative and all, right? And so basically, as Charles Darwin said, it is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change. So basically, there are AI jobs, right? There are a lot of people who actually want to. There are a lot of young people who want to get into this, but they don't have the skills, right? And so that's what this whole session is all about, is actually empowering you to learn those skills on your own. And we'll see there are other avenues of learning as well, but what are the pros and cons of each of them, right? But the whole thing is that you have to adapt to this new set of life that we are going to have in the next 10, 20, 30 years or so. Okay, so let's focus on data science and AI. And so what are the topics that you have to learn, right? So this field is actually, it's basically considered to be at the intersection of statistics, programming, mathematics. That's the common perception that people have, or basically it's the truth actually. So these are the topics that you have to learn: mathematics, which would include topics like linear algebra, probability statistics, and calculus and all of that, which actually is the foundation for you to understand the basics of machine learning and all, right? So before going to that, so because people have a little ambiguity of what is AI, what is machine learning, so they think everything is same and all. So AI is actually the superset. It's the whole thing. So AI could be robotics also, it could be the old expert system that we had, or it could be the current data driven machine learning system. So machine learning is nothing but we are trying to make the machines learn from data and do certain things that humans can do, right? So if that is done through data and machine learning algorithms, then we call it machine learning. And deep learning is a subset of that, which is actually making use of artificial neural networks, which are actually basically the idea came from the human mind. So we have biological neurons, and if we can replicate that model as artificial neural networks, we can actually learn certain things and do tasks that humans do, like recognizing images or listening to, or basically translation or anything like that. So basically sound, video, audio, or this images and text. Can you understand and interpret that? So that's all. So for doing all those things, we need to have those fundamentals like mathematics, programming. Programming, you can use any language, but Python is the lingua franca for this. So you have to actually be good at Python,